YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy, natejustdope. Back with another video in JD Nation. What's down with it, man? You're now watching Nate's Closet. And today's video, as y'all can see by the title, boom, we have another unboxing. Like I told y'all in the last video, I did have one more sneaker coming in to finish off the month of April. You feel me? I literally went crazy in April, bro. Didn't really expect to, but you know what I'm saying. But anyway, yeah, man, so we got an unboxing, man. By the title, y'all can see already what they are, bruh. Let me just tell you, man, these are so fire in my opinion, man. Your boy has been wanting these ever since I saw pictures of them. I wanted them, I was already on them, bruh. And they technically, well, they went on sale for like pre-order last year, but they released this year. People started getting their shipments in this year, and then they did like a raffle online this year. I didn't win. I didn't win at all, but luckily resale isn't that high, man. So your boy ended up paying resale for these, but it wasn't that much, man. So yeah, man, I'm going to get right into it, man, because I'm ready. I'm excited to see the shoes. So with that being said, y'all know, let's get into it. Yes sir, man. The boy is really excited to see these, man, and I was actually about to head out until I seen the UPS man. Shout out to the UPS man outside, and I was like, oh, this gotta be it. And they was. So got these from GOAT, you know what I'm saying? Got these from GOAT. This is my first time ordering anything from GOAT, man. So yeah, let's see what they did, man. Ooh, they go to box. Ooh, they go to box, man. Let's go ahead and take these things on up, man. Yo, the box is heavy, bro. Like, dang, it's heavier than the Jordans I be picking up, bro. Whew. All right, let's brace ourselves, bro. I'm excited, man. Y'all see the box right here. Y'all see the box. Y'all see the box. Aime Leon Dore, ALD. Y'all already know. New Balance. We have a size 12 BB 650 RD1. Y'all know what these are, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box, bro. And here we go. Okay. Ooh. It smells good. Hold up, bro. Let's see. Ooh. I wasn't ready, bro. Ooh. Okay. Yo. Hey, shit. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Yo, these are fire, bro. We have the New Balance ALD 650. I can't even talk right now. Yo, all right, so we have the 650 New Balance ALD in the navy blue colorway, man. Y'all see the shoe. Y'all see the shoe. Ooh, yo, these are, I gotta get all of them now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, these are, my bad, y'all. I'm just really like scoping it out right now, bro. These is fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. These on X Games mode.
He on X Games mode.
These are hard, bro. So y'all see the New Balance 650 ALD new. What am I trying to say right now? We have the 650 ALD navy blue colorway. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that logo on the back, the ALD logo on the back. If it'll focus, there we go. There we go. So as y'all see, GOAT sent them, approved, verified, authenticized. What? Authenticized. What? What the fuck? Authenticated and everything, man. Yo, these are nice, bro. I'm speechless right now, bro. Like, I usually have something to say, like right about now, but I really don't. I'm trying to like scope it out and see. On camera, it looks like a white, like a pure white, but it's actually kind of like sailish, kind of like off-white a little bit. Yo, the camera don't do it no justice, bro. You gotta see these in hand, bro. But we have kind of like a creamish looking leather right here, you know what I'm saying? And then we have hits of navy blue all around the shoe, you know, bars. We have around the ankle collar right here. We got the end in navy blue with like a crack type of leather, bro. It's nice, bro. This is nice. And I've never had any like ALD collab New Balance, so this is my first time seeing or holding ALD New Balance collab in hand, bro, and this end is dope, bro. Then we got 650 on the lower part of the shoe right here. You know what I'm saying? We got New Balance on the collar. On the other side, this ankle collar is very, very nice. And then we have the nice tongue right here with NB with the AOD logo, with the basketball AOD logo right here. We have Aime Dore on the tongue at the top, 650 right there. So basically this is a high version of the 550s, you know what I'm saying? But yo, the reason why I got these, bro, cause like I just like high cut shoes, you know what I'm saying? And when I seen pictures of these, I was like, yo, these are dope. These are dope. This is definitely up my alley. Definitely right up my alley, man, when it comes to high top sneakers. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I seen that they was gonna release, but it was gonna be like an online pre-order type thing last year. Didn't get a chance to actually enter that stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because by the time I seen it, it was too late. But saw that they was gonna do like a general release, like what, 2 weeks ago online, like a raffle. Entered for the red pair and the green pair, and these right here didn't win none of them. So I went online, went on StockX first, and I seen that it was on there for a good price. Then I went to Go, seen it for a better price. So I went on ahead and got these first, just because I feel like these are more wearable, you know what I'm saying, in my opinion, as far as like colorway wise. And then next I'm gonna go for obviously the gray pair or the green, and then I think they put the red on Go too. So your boy may try to go for all of them, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, for right now, these will do. These will definitely do for right now, man. And then I just love that midsole. It's like the aged midsole with like the cream color. It's like, the camera don't do it no justice. Hold on real quick. Y'all can kind of see it a little bit. But in person, it's like a piss. Wait, not a piss. Hold on. It's like a, I don't know, man. It's like a, I don't know how to explain it, man. It's dope, bro. It's really dope. Then you have the outsole, that navy blue outsole with the hint of like cream on the bottom as well. This is just a really dope, old school looking shoe, man. Then like I said before, you have the Aime Dore logo on the back. This is the left shoe. On the other shoe, it just has the New Balance logo, you know? Just has the New Balance logo right here. On the right shoe, on the left shoe, it has the AOD logo. Inside of the shoe, we have the cream laces right here. Y'all already know I'm putting these cream laces in ASAP, no Rocky. You feel me? You have the tag talking about the insole, you know what I'm saying? That ortholite insoles, man. The insole is right here. Y'all see it, y'all see it. Y'all see it, that AOD logo on the insole. This is the left shoe. On the right shoe, you have the blue laces. I don't know why these ain't attached, but oh well. On the other shoe, the insole, you have the New Balance logo. You feel me? And the leather looks so nice, bro. Like, it feels like a combination of different types of leather, but it's like, it's nice, soft leather, bro. Let me know if y'all want to see me do like on feet. Matter of fact, should I do like on? Nah, cause I gotta go. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta go right after this, bro. Like, I'm trying to rush and do this video. Cause like I said, I was literally on the way out the door, like until I seen the UPS man outside. But yeah, man, yeah, I'm definitely satisfied with this purchase. Let me see what else is on the inside of the box. That's it. It's a nice box as well too. Nice box. And from what I'm hearing, this box is better than the 550 AOD box. I heard that the AOD box for the 550s were like flimsy. These are more sturdier, so I like that off rip. But yeah, man. Thumbnail. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down, hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop the videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good Vibes Only 454, that is my clothing brand. Look, the spring collection is here. Go ahead and go to the website, GVO454, to go ahead and do your pre-orders for the spring collection, man, if you haven't already. Also follow the IG Good Vibes Only 454 on IG, man, for more updates and info on when the pre-orders will end. Follow me on my personal IG, natejustdope, so y'all can be caught up with all the things that I do outside of YouTube and outside of my clothing brand. Subscribe to my other YouTube channels, natejustdope, and Life with Nate. So y'all can be caught up with all the content I post on YouTube. Like I said, I will be going after the other pairs, man, or the other colorways. The gray, the green, and the red, man. I gotta have them all, bro, because these are fire, bro. These are fire. Definitely a dope summer shoe. Even though these are high top, I feel like these are a dope summer shoe, bro. Y'all gonna see the fits that I put together with these, man. For sure. For sure, for sure. But yeah, now with that being said, let me know if y'all went after any of these, or if y'all feeling these or not. By this video, y'all already know I'm feeling these, man. So yeah, let me know if y'all went after these, or if not, man. But now with that being said, it's your boy, Nate Just Dope. Signing out. Deuces.
I'm off this one.
I couldn't get a bill paid. You could buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use thing. But we all so spoiled now. All I